Welcome viewer to Suleman's Impact Room. Today we'll be showing that ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to this quadratic formula. So we want to prove the quadratic equation, how we came up with this formula. Now let us solve it together. Now let ax squared plus bx plus c, let it be equal to 0. Now, having done that, move this c to the other side. So we have ax squared plus bs equal to minus c. Now, the next thing to do is divide through by the coefficient of x squared, that is a over then this. So this will go, we are left with x squared plus bx over c equal to minus c over a. Now the next step is the coefficient of x, which is b over a. You look for the half of it and you will square that half and add it to both sides. That will be x squared plus bx over a. The coefficient, so we are adding b over a, half of it 1 over 2. Then we have to square it equal to the same thing to the other side, b over a times 1 over 2 square. Then minus c over a. Now, having done that, this will give us x squared plus bx over a, then plus, when you multiply this, that will give us b over 2a squared equal to the same thing, b over 2a squared minus c over a. Now, having done this, the next thing for us to do is this will be x squared plus bx over a plus this will give us b squared over 4a squared equal to the same thing here, b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Now, I hope you are getting it. The next thing is to factorize this. Don't forget your sum, your product will give us x squared b squared over 4a squared. That's our product. And the sum is bx over a. You will now look for two factors. When you multiply the two together, it will give us this. When you add the same together, it will give us this. And that will be x squared plus bx over 2a plus bx over 2a. Don't forget, if you multiply this, you will have this. If you add it together, it will give us this value. Then plus b squared over 4a squared equal to, what's our SCM here? That is 4a squared. 4a squared will go in 4a squared 1 multiply. That will be b squared. A will go here, remain 4a. Multiply, that will be 4ac. Now, having done that, the next thing is to factorize these two. So what come out here, that's x into x plus b over 2a. Then plus the same value, what come out here, b over 2a, you are left with x. Then plus b over 2a. Then equal to b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Now, let's join this together. That will be x plus b over 2a. Then pick one out of these two. That will be x plus b over 2a equal to b squared minus 4ac everything over 4a squared. Now the next thing, you will discover that these two, the two of them are common. You can write it as x plus b over 2a, all is square, equal to b square minus 4ac over 4a squared. So the next thing now is to bring this thing up, which now be x plus b over 2a equal to plus or minus. We have the square root of b square minus 4ac over 4a squared. Now let's move this to the other side. So s equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus. Now you will discover this one have a perfect square. So we have root b square minus 4ac. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of a is this. So between these two, we find the LCM. The LCM now will be 2a. 2a will go here 1, multiplied by b, that's minus b, plus or minus. 2a will go here 1, multiplied by b, that will be root b square minus 4ac. So you can see that this value now is equal to this, using completely the square method to solve from the quadratic equation to form quadratic formula. I hope you have learned something. If you have learned something from here, please remember to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.